Are you struggling to come up with the funds necessary to buy your first home? Hey everybody, Chad Helmcamp here with BWC Lending, here to give you 3 tips on how you can come up with the funds necessary to buy your first home. Number 1, you got to create a budget. If you're going to buy a house, you got to have a plan in place, and you can't really have a plan if you don't have a budget. If you don't know what you're spending your money on, how do you know where you can save? So first things first, create a budget. If you need some help on that, happy to lend a hand. Number 2, automate your savings. If you don't have something set up already to either come out of your paycheck or to come out of your checking account directly into a savings account, set it up now. Whether it's $50, $100, $200, whatever your budget will allow, automate your savings and set that aside as part of your down payment funds. And last but not least, ask for help. I can't tell you how many people come to me not recognizing or understanding that a lot of times parents or grandparents are happy to help people make that first big purchase. So if you have a family that might be willing to gift you $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to help you buy a house, now would be a great time to have that discussion. Thanks for watching, everybody. Our tips and tricks here at BWC Lending. Please subscribe below, like, and share this page. We'll see you next time. BW, see you later.
I belong to you. I belong to you.